So the other day, I went to the last Thursday, I think, I have appointment for my doctor surgeon, for my breast cancer surgeon. Then I told her that I have problem with the hips. So I need a vitamins. I asked her what to take. So it's calcium and vitamin D. So we found that this one, buy one, get one. So this is the one, guys. This one. Yeah, this is nice, right? Vitamin, calcium. Uh-huh. So I don't know how much. 17.39. Oh, 17.99. Okay. Then the vitamin D is 31.99. All right.